The COMPRISE Cloud Platform is a platform for collection of privacy-transformed speech and text data and training speech-to-text and other models. Before starting to use Cloud Platform, you need to create an account. Go to Cloud Platform Web UI, click on Login or Sign Up. Then click on Sign Up Now and fill in the form. You only need to provide valid email address and a password. By default, your account is not activated. Please contact Tilde to activate your account. After your account is activated, you can log in to the platform, register your mobile application, and acquire API keys. For this, go to Applications, click on Add Application, next, enter name, language, some optional description, and click Save. After your mobile app is registered, find it in the list and open it. Click on the name of your application. You can see your API key in the field Application Key. Now you can embed the generated API key into your mobile app. When you have just started to develop your mobile application, you probably don't have enough data to train a speech-to-text model or other models. For this reason, the platform is pre-populated with data and pre-trained models that you can use in your apps. To import a pre-trained model, log into a Cloud Platform and go to your application. Go to the Models tab of your application and click on Train New Model. To get model trained on Common Voice English, select Common Voice EN from the frequently used application list and click Add Training Data. Other pre-trained models can be selected in a similar way. Please note that only one dataset can be added, otherwise import will produce unusable result. Finally, choose Custom for Recipe and enter copy in the Custom Recipe box. Click on Schedule Training. After a few minutes, a copy of pre-trained model will be imported into your application. When mobile app is used, the COMPRISE SDK will automatically upload privacy-transformed speech and text data to the Cloud Platform using the provided API key. Once the data collection has started, you can use the Web UI and the COMPRISE Cloud Platform to manage the collected data. The list of collected audio samples can be found by selecting a particular app from the list and clicking on the Speech Data tab. On this tab, you can listen to the collected audio samples, add a transcription, or delete samples that contain only noise. You can also add speech or text data manually. Once sufficient data has been collected and annotated, it can be used to improve the speech-to-text models. Go to your app, click on the Models tab, select ISR, and then click on Train New Model. To initiate a training, you should enter the name of the training recipe and click on Schedule Training. Use base recipe if all your data have manual transcriptions. Otherwise, you should use weekly supervised recipe. To make your model more robust and avoid overfitting, you can specify additional training data from other apps to be used. This is done by entering the ID and the share key of the other app and clicking on Add Training Data. For convenience, the Web UI provides a drop-down list of frequently used applications, which makes it easier to add pre-collected training data to the model training. Please note that additional data is necessary for weekly supervised training. The new training job will be added to the queue. The progress of model training can be monitored on the Models tab. When the training is completed, the model can be downloaded directly by your mobile app using Comprise SDK functions or by calling COMPRISE Cloud Platform API. It is also possible to download the training model using the web UI for manual integration. Instead of using a public service, you can deploy COMPRISE Cloud Platform in your own infrastructure. The source code of the platform is available on the following GitLab. The repository contains installation instructions and example configuration files.